Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Start with the episode open in your browser because Crunchyroll uses an HTML5 player that supports PyP. First, confirm your browser is up to date so PyP features are available and stable. Then, right-click the video twice. This reveals the browser context menu that includes picture-in-picture, or click the small PyP icon if present. Once the floating window appears, you'll have a separate controllable player for multitasking. Once the PyP window is open, position it where it won't block your workflow. You can drag it to any screen corner, and it will remain on top. Use the small play, pause, and close icons on the PyP overlay to control playback without switching tabs. This matters because it reduces tab switching latency and keeps audio under control. If you need a different size, grab the window edge to resize. Just make sure you don't try to full screen the original tab while PyP is active, since that can disrupt playback. To finish, click the PyP close button and playback will return to the Crunchyroll tab, or simply use the original player's controls. This is how you restore the normal viewing state. If picture-in-picture fails to start, make sure your browser is updated, disable any conflicting extensions, and try enabling a dedicated PyP extension. These steps often resolve missing context menu options. If playback stutters or audio drifts, clear the browser cache and toggle hardware acceleration. That usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.